Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to scan QR code on Capcut. First of all, you can open the Capcut application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. You can just simply see the first option here, that is scan. You can just simply tap on scan to scan a QR code, and this is the way you can scan QR code on CapCut. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.